Hello. Um, my name is Jillian Cukor, and this is for the Module 15 final discussion. This piece is called Madonna and Child. It was created in the late 1480s by Giovanni Bellini, an Italian artist during this time. It shows a mother and her child sitting together, which is a common religious representation, especially in Catholicism and Christianity. It shows them in front of a curtain, which, in my opinion, represents life and death. The curtain can be seen as closing on the mother or opening for the child. It all depends on the view of the audience. The town behind the curtain contains buildings that are placed close together, which can be seen as a metaphor for community, which again is a big thing for some religions. Kind of like what the mother and child have as they're seen together. A lot of placement in this painting that represents community. The colors behind behind the curtain, relate to life, as the tones are both light and dark, like in the sky. It goes from light to dark. Compared to these colors, the red curtain, seems sudden and mysterious, as if it's not supposed to be there. This is an oil on wood painting, by the way. About 35 by 28 inches, which is, in my opinion, is quite average as far as I've seen.